अगले 24 घंटों के लिए मैं फॉलो करने वाला हूँ शेफाली की डाइट। चलिए देखते हैं कि ये 6 फुट का बॉडी बिल्डर इस 50 केजी की लड़की की डाइट पे जिंदा रह सकता है कि नहीं। So शेफाली, तुम्हारे लिए आज मैं बनाने वाला हूँ ओट्स, ठीक है? बट दिस इज नॉट रेगुलर ओट्स, इट्स बेसिकली ओट्स, प्रोटीन पाउडर एंड सम फ्रूट्स। Have you eaten oats before?
I used to eat it a couple of years ago, but then I didn't like it, so I switched to my current breakfast.
You don't like oats?
No.
मेरा तो staple है guys, but she has no option today. I am going to be making the Big Man Bowl for her. You guys have seen the recipe for Big Man Bowl earlier, ना? Let's assemble it for her this time. So Big Man Bowl बनाना बहुत ही आसान है. You start with some curd and then you add cacao powder to this. So we're gonna add about 1.5 scoops to 2 scoops of Biozyme Iso Zero. So it's a very high protein breakfast. It's going to fill you up. To this we're going to add some fruits. Guys, Shefali hates fruits, ठीक है? But I'm gonna make you eat today. So we have kiwi, papaya, apple, and there you go. This is the Big Man Bowl. I know दिखने में सुंदर नहीं है, so we will add some blueberries on top. So here you go. This is your breakfast. What do you have for me now?
Let me show you my breakfast now. I usually have a toasted bread slice with scrambled eggs and avocado. Or you can just call it an avocado toast.
अच्छा, ठीक है. So this is for you. That is for me. I'm actually excited to try this because it looks very pretty. Let's switch sides.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, I'm gonna start with this. क्या था ये? Iced coffee.
Iced latte.
Iced latte. Yeah, that's bitter. But this looks so good, guys. Just look at that. I think I'm gonna put some. How many eggs is this?
Just one.
One egg.
Yeah.
Bhai, I am doing 2 scoops of protein and this is 1 egg. That's like 60 grams of protein versus 6 grams of protein.
6?
Yeah, 1 egg is only 6 grams. What did you think?
Like 10, 12.
No.
How does it taste?
So fresh. Amazing. Very amazing. Taste wise 10 on 10, but it's too small for me. Try mine.
Okay, let me try this. I can taste the cacao.
Cacao. Okay. Cocoa and cacao has a small difference. Cocoa is typically, more processed, whereas cacao is more raw and nutritious. Very good for your health. I think this looks like वो Pinterest लड़कियों का होता है ना, फोटो डालती हैं ऐसे कटिंग बोर्ड पे. But चलो, at least it's not unhealthy. Your breakfast is good, but it is lacking protein.
Egg.
5-6 grams protein में कुछ नहीं होगा. Okay, so what do you do after breakfast?
Usually it's a work day, right? So I head out to a cafe to get some work done.
मतलब work from home but you go to a cafe.
Yeah, I usually go to a cafe and get my work done for a couple of hours.
क्यों, घर पे काम नहीं होता?
Not that much.
So guys, Shefali likes to work out of a cafe. आज इसका work from home है, so let's take her to a cafe and she can get done with her work. अपना तो भाई अपन तो वैसे चाय पीते हैं, but cafe में चाय नहीं मिलेगा. So we will probably go with black coffee. Oh, you know what that means? That means you are drinking black coffee.
Oh God, disgusting.
So guys, order मैंने place कर दिया है. We are waiting for it. This is what you do?
Yeah.
3 times a week?
3 times a week, 2-3 times a week.
Go to Starbucks, take your laptop. Where's your laptop? You don't have work?
I have.
नाटक guys, ये लोग जो भी work from home करते हैं ना, ये work ही नहीं करते.
Hello. No, that's not right, guys. Everybody works. We work hard for our money.
If her manager is watching this, she's working very hard, okay? Please give her a raise. Yeah. Thank you. That's yours.
Small
This is cameraman's.
and medium ice American.
Thank you so much.
This looks so good.
Okay, so now the deal is you're gonna have mine. This is basically a black coffee with ice, and this is basically sugar. Anna,
I call it coffee.
let me taste this. Wow. Guys, this is just a milkshake. This is not coffee at this point.
Nice.
It's amazing.
Okay, let's taste yours.
Bad, huh?
It's not as bad as I thought it would be, but it's bad.
Like this is, I don't think this is like 10 calories. Coffee में
That's
उतना ही
all.
होता है, yeah. 10 calories, that's all.
That must be like.
This is probably like 600-700. If I have to rate this, I think मैं तो इसको 10 on 10 दूंगा. It's a milkshake at this point.
We're rating taste wise, na? So I would give this a 3.5 on 10.
10 on 10. If this video gets 1 lakh views, I'm going to gift Shefali something.
It can
Guess
be
what?
anything.
It's going to be a water bottle because सुबह से इसने एक बूंद पानी नहीं पिया है, ठीक है? The only liquid she's drinking is coffee.
You didn't give.
I didn't give.
Yeah.
मेरी गलती है कि मैंने इसको पानी नहीं पिलाया.
Of course.
अगर कल मेरे चेहरे पे pimples acne आए, then she is to blame. Yeah. How the fuck do you drink all this and not get pimples?
It's just being a girl.
I cannot drink so much sugar. Finish it. You have to finish it. That's the challenge for the day. So guys, अभी 3 बज रहे हैं. Shefali has taken her lunch break. We have come to California Burrito. Let's go.
Chalo, let's go.
You're gonna get a big meal now. I hope you have something tasty for me.
A salad is always tasty.
That's all.
That's
सिर्फ सैलेड खाने को मिलेगा.
all.
Let's see. Okay, so guys, we are now at California Burrito. So usually मैं जब इधर आता हूँ 3 चीज़ें ऑर्डर करता हूँ, ठीक है? एक तो चिकन राइस बोल, which is a burrito bowl. उसके साथ एक burrito wrap and then 1 salad. So usually these are the 3 things that I order. But Shefali is saying आज सिर्फ salad खाने को मिलेगा.
I could eat that for an entire day.
Yeah,
Literally.
my appetite is big, guys. Guys, ये है मेरा ऑर्डर. यूजली जब भी मैं बाहर खाता हूँ आई गेट 1 सैलेड फॉर श्योर. ये चिकन सैलेड है. दिस इज़ अ राइस बोल एंड दिस इज़ अ बुरिटो रैप, ठीक है? इतना खाना तो मेरे को चाहिए ही. शेफाली, व्हाट डू यू हैव?
1 paneer salad, that's all.
दैट्स ऑल.
Yeah.
सो यू आर सेइंग आई हैव टू ईट वेज टुडे.
Yeah.
हद होती है यार. हाउ मच कैन यू फिनिश?
This salad?
दैट्स ऑल.
Yeah.
बाकी खाना पैक करवाना पड़ेगा. Guys, I have to give my food to her. आज वेज खाएंगे. I hope it tastes as good as chicken at least. I think the Mexican food का ये दिक्कत है कि everything looks the same. ये rice bowl, ये salad, they all look the same. At least let's hope it tastes different. You eat this every day?
2-3 times a week.
Tiffin box नहीं लेके जाते.
No.
Decent meal, not bad, but I miss my burrito wrap यार. I want to eat.
I want to eat now.
First bite में मज़ा नहीं आता. Second bite is the better one. Show them the filling. Extra chicken, guys. Always extra chicken. अच्छा है?
This is very yummy.
I want.
No, you don't get it.
So guys, that was lunch. मेरे को तो सिर्फ एक सैलेड खाने को मिला. आज तो लग रहा है कि मैं डाइटिंग पे हूँ, but how was your lunch?
Heavy.
Heavy?
Yeah.
Of course, being big man is heavy. Now, before we go home for dinner, let's do some activity. What do you want to do? Pick one. Okay, so this was shopping and this was gaming arcade.
Shit.
You should have picked this. Now we're gonna go to a gaming arcade. Let's go.
But first, a word from the sponsor of this video.
Muscle strength starts with one thing, ATP. Every rep, every sprint, every heavy lift uses ATP as fuel. But your body can only store a small amount. That is where creatine steps in. Creamp increases your body's ability to recycle ATP faster, which means more energy, more reps, more strength. Each scoop gives you 3 grams of pure creatine with MB Crea Absorb, so your body can absorb it faster and use it better. No guesswork, just science that fuels real performance. So check out muscleblaze.com and इस प्रोडक्ट को बेस्ट प्राइस पे लेने के लिए कोड बिगमैन यूज करना मत भूलिएगा. So Shefali and I are going to do a bowling challenge. Now I am bad at it. She's also bad at it.
Let's see who's worse.
Let's see who's worse. Let's go. I am very good with my fingers. Let me show you. Let me show you how good I am.
Bro, you're actually good.
I told you, Mohit ka finger game is very
Yeah,
good.
I'm gonna do it. It's gonna go to that side.
Time for Shefali. Take the smallest bowl. Shefali.
Stuff like
Shefali. Shefali. Shefali.
I don't even know how to bowl.
So the thing is, that's all. Come on,
Not going
come on,
to
Shefali, let's go. Yo, not bad, not bad, bro, not bad. Oh my God,
Not that bad.
not bad at all.
Yeah. I didn't expect that. I thought it's gonna go into the side.
मेरे 2 पिन बचे थे, इसके 3 पिन बचे हैं.
I'll go.
Yeah, let's go, chef. Come on.
Hey, fuck
Come on,
all,
chef.
bro.
Bro, what the? How is she throwing like that? Bro, again. You are good at this.
I guess you're not playing for a while.
You know, मैं सोच रहा था I am bad, she is bad, but I think we are both decent. Come on, you have one more chance. Guys, game हो गया है. I have scored 90 points and Shefali has scored 54. So what happened is, from 52, I just played like one madman and I reached 90. Shefali का नाखून टूट गया, so she could not proceed. So guys, we are now back home. काफी अच्छा game था. Until one point, Shefali was at 49 points and I was at 52. So we were going neck and neck, but then इसका नाखून टूट गया. Unfortunately, she was not prepared for bowling, but इतना बढ़िया competition दिया इसने मेरे को, and I'm actually proud of you. Okay?
Yay.
Guys, it is now time for dinner. Last meal of the day. मेरा dinner तो आप लोगों को पता ही है. Dinner के लिए I eat rice, mutton keema, like you guys know, lean mutton mince. लेग्यूम के लिए आज लोबिया है एंड चिकन लिवर, उसके साथ कोई सी भी एक होममेड सब्जी. व्हाट डू यू हैव फॉर डिनर?
Usually dal chawal and some vegetable sabzi.
ओके, सो दाल चावल इज अ स्टैंडर्ड.
हाँ, almost every day.
सो अगेन आई एम एक्साइटेड टू ईट दैट बिकॉज मेरे को दाल चावल खाए बहुत टाइम हो गया. दिस इज माई डिनर, यू कैन टेक इट.
Let's go.
आई थिंक दिस मील पोर्शन साइज इज गुड. यू नो, आई थिंक पूरा दिन ये इतना कम खाती है, बट डिनर इज नॉट बैड.
Heavy dinner.
Okay, Shefali dinner taste test. Is this what girls usually eat? Dal chawal.
Most of the girls eat this only.
Acha. Most of the guys don't eat this.
That's true.
Good.
Tasty.
Tasty, comforting, and I think ये दाल I think घी में बनी है. You like ghee?
Yeah, I love ghee. Who doesn't love ghee?
Try my dinner. How's the mutton? That is also cooked without oil.
Mutton is tasty.
अच्छा है? Yeah. So mutton, red meat for dinner. Again, red meat also packed with trace minerals. कभी कभी चिकन भी खा लेता हूँ, but most of the times it's mutton itself. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.
Bye.